The Nissan Pathfinder has been a success story for the brand, but its existence is always overlooked. Blame the decent yet forgettable looks of the SUV for that. Nissan aims to change the status quo with the completely new 2022 Nissan Pathfinder. With a stronger design and more tech, the new model adds some zing to Nissan's global cash cow. Give the 2022 Nissan Pathfinder a glance and it is easy to mistake it for a petrol. The Pathfinder draws inspiration from the Big Brute for its front fascia with the petrol-like headlights and the V-motion grille. The Pathfinder looks more upright with a squared silhouette, shedding its minivan-like design from the old generation. Slim tail lights at the rear add more width to the vehicle, so does the large Pathfinder badge. Practicality is a king when it comes to the Pathfinder's interior and the 2022 model. The HVAC system gets proper buttons and knobs instead of the modern age touchscreen gimmick. Yet, the Pathfinder gets a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a 10.8-inch head-up display to keep up with its competitors. In the 2022 model, the third row is larger and can seat 3 passengers, allowing the SUV to carry a total of 8 passengers. There is a 7-seater option too, with captain seats in the second row. The fold and slide function from the current model appears in the 2022 Pathfinder as well, making it easier to climb into the third row. Nissan scraps the CVT transmission of the outgoing model in favor of a 9-speed unit that is paired to a 3.5-liter V6 carried over from the predecessor. This mill produces 271 horsepower and 340 Newton meters in its old guise, so expect the outputs to be a little higher this time. In the US market, the new Pathfinder produces 284 horsepower and 351 Newton meters. The power is sent either just to the front wheels or to all 4 wheels depending on the trims and options chosen.